Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana for product launch checklists, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, create a new project by selecting the New Project button. Choose the blank project option for full customization. Name your project something relevant, like Product Launch Checklist. Select your preferred layout, either list or board. Now, it's time to add. Click on Add section to create categories such as planning, design, and marketing. Within each section, start adding tasks that need to be completed. For each task, specify a clear title that describes the action needed. Use the description field for any additional details or links related to the task. Assign the tasks to team members by clicking on the Assignee field. Set due dates for each task to ensure deadlines are clear. If necessary, add subtasks to break down larger tasks into manageable steps. Utilize custom fields to track important metrics, such as task priority or status. Integrate any relevant tools by clicking on the integration icon in the project menu. Once your tasks are added, you can set up dependencies between tasks that need to be completed in sequence. To do this, click on a task, then select Add Dependency in the task details. Make sure to regularly update task statuses as they progress through your checklist. You can also use the comments section for team discussions and updates on each task. Finally, consider creating a timeline view to visualize your project schedule. Review your entire checklist to ensure no tasks or deadlines are overlooked. Once everything is set, communicate the launch plan with your team. With this setup, you are well on your way to a successful product launch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.